Actual in there also one types of opulence mood is there. Opulence mood, Vaisharjan. Opulence mood is how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifests his opulence. But very sweet mood, that is called Udarja mood. Bhav is going on this way. And all devotees, they are referring their obeisances to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Because sometimes Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he seated his Ratna Singhasan. Ratna Singhasan means golden throne. And he gives blessing to everyone. This is that. Because this is also opulence mood. In Vrindavan, no one can receive blessing from Krishna. But everybody giving blessing to Krishna. This is the idea. But except Vrindavan, then Krishna, he also manifests his opulence. Actually, this is the Vrindavan Dham and Navadvip Dham or Shetadvip Dham. Vrindavan full of opulence, full of madhurya, sweetness mode. Or Shetadvip Dham had two things manifest. His some opulence mood also manifests because he is also everybody also paying their obeisances. And simultaneously Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is giving blessing to everybody. And without discrimination, he gives mercy to everybody. And he did not think who is qualified or one qualified. Jare dekhe tare dan Krishna prema bilaya. Whatever he looks, he offered his prem to everyone. Udarja dham. Magnanimity. And simultaneously also sweetness mood, because Shetadvip Dham or Navadvip Dham also non-difference from Vrindavan. And these things. There also in Vrindavan Dham, gopis are there. Gopis, cows, Ved, Brahmanas, in there. But Vrindavan, Shetadvip Dham, also same thing is there, but that is called with cover. Cover means no hidden way. Mahapurush Lila is going on there also. But so I also explain Mahaprabhu's two kinds of Lila. One is called also Udarja, another is called also Madhurja. Madhurja mood also in there. Because Navadvip Dham, everybody they know Gaura Hari, he is the son of Sachi Mata. And Mahaprabhu performs also same Krishna Lila is there. What the Krishna Lila? Not there Gopi dance. Little bit this is the difference. But there also dance that is called Sankirtan Rasa dance. And Krishna Lila is called Gopi Ras dance. Or in Mahaprabhu Lila Shetadip Dham, Nam Sankirtan. Sankirtan. And Mahaprabhu so much intoxicated with Nam Sankirtan. This is the sense. Gaura Lila, when you chant holy names, you have to remember the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. The Lord Chaitanya, when small boy, he used to go take bath in the Ganges. Sometimes Brahmanas, they are not chanting Gayatri mantra, they are chanting others mantras of Dev Devis, Kali, Durga, what is it called, Shitala. They are not following the Vaishnava philosophy. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he became very angry. Arsan, taking some water of the Ganges in his mouth and throw to them. That time Brahmana is thinking, oh, you contaminated our body. Then again they are taking bath in the Ganges. Sometimes they also complain to Jagannath Mishra. Why Mahaprabhu is doing this Leela? The Mahaprabhu is saying, no, everybody have to chant and Krishna Naam and Gopal mantra, Gayatri mantra. Because most of the Brahmanas, they are called Smartha. Smartha, understand? Smartha means they worship many demigod, demigoddess. Understand this? So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Brahman should be worship only divine couple Radha and Krishna. This is the best. But if you worship to one demigod, demigoddess, but under guidance of Krishna, that means all demigod, demigoddess, they also worship to lotus feet of Krishna. Our mantra is Om Tad Vishnum Paramang Padang Sada Pasyanti Surayo Diviva Chaksuratatam. Om Tad Vishnu Paramang Padang Sada Pasyanti Surayo Diviva Chaksuratatam. Chaksuratatam. And all demigod, demigoddess, they also offering their obeisances, pranam to Krishna. So in this, why you are chanting the mantra of demigod, demigoddess? Because Vedas actual discourse, Vedas discourses only Krishna. Breder Padigga Kahe Krishna. And Vedas actually one pointed with Krishna. But some Kormi people, Jnani people, they cannot understand. So for this regard, they also perform many kinds of karma. So Vedas also divided in three. One is called Karma Kanda, another is Jnana Kanda, another is called Upasana Kanda. Upasana means worship. This Upasana worship also two types. One is called Dev Devi Upasana, to worship other demigod or demigoddess. Or another one pointed with Krishna. That is called Bhagavat Upasana, Vishnu Upasana. Vishnu Upasana. Because others demigod, demigoddess, they give the fruits taking from Krishna. And Brahma Samhita very clearly explains. Even Ganesh ji, Ganesh ji understand? How many heads of Ganesh? What is the head of Ganesh? Elephant. Elephant. Elephant head. These are Ganesh. Ganeshji. Bhaktra Tundam. Ganeshji. Actually, Ganeshji, he gives all the Riddhi, Siddhi, perfection or wealth, money, taking from Krishna. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. Or the slok, Brahma Samhita. Jat Pada Palva Kumbha Pranama Samaya Ganadhi Raja. When Ganeshji, he performed his Stop Stuti to Lord Vishnu or Govinda. Then Govinda, and he keeps his lotus feet on his, what is called, shoulder. And then Lord is giving to him all kinds of what is called, Riddhi Siddhi, perfection, and wealth, money. Then Ganeshji, he distributed this. Actually, Ganeshji has no independently to give the Riddhi Siddhi. Actually, he is taking from Krishna. But those who are ignorant person, less intelligent, or those who have no Tattva Siddhanta, they thinking Ganeshji is giving. Who is giving?
Krishna.
Krishna is giving. Brahma Samhita very clearly. So, Upasana Kanda. Upasana Kanda again divided one. Upasana of demigod, demigoddess, or another Upasana, one pointed to Krishna. So, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means baby Krishna, small Krishna, baby Krishna, baby Krishna, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. When he used to go take bath in the Ganges, then Brahmanas, they are chanting all demigod, demigoddess mantra. So Mahaprabhu was taking water and throwing their mouth. Actually, the Brahmanas are very great fortune because they are taking the Mahaprabhu's Uchishta Prasad. Understand? But they don't understand the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, Saint Krishna. For this regard, they complain to Jagannath Mishra, oh, your Nimai disturbed to us. This thing. Sometimes small girls, maybe 5, 6, 7 years girls, they worship demigod and demigoddess, and especially they worship maybe Durga or Shivji, and offering ghee lamps, incense, and some sweets. Understand? If you go Navadvip, they offering mostly is what? Sandesh. You know Sandesh? Very sweet Sandesh. One kinds of sweet Sandesh. Or they offering what is it called? Sugar sweets, you know, that is called Batasa. Batasa saw you know? Small ball. Batasa. And also banana. In Bengal, one kind of banana, small banana. Here also we saw. Very sweet.
Banana old. Gold banana they call it.
Okay, that banana when ripened, very sweet. You can eat very nice. And some banana very easy to cut, but that banana little bit touch your teeth, and very sweet also. Golden colors that banana. So I am saying that type, so young girls, they worship demigod, demigoddess, and especially Shivji.
Peraí. Ele tem duas pernas, ele tem dois braços, ele sabe levantar. Eu conheço ele. Pode deixar, fica aí na sua religião. Você levante, você não vai atrapalhar a mulher. Você não vai atrapalhar a mulher.
What is saying?
Pode continuar, por favor.
Huh?
Você não é aleijado, por enquanto não.
So Mahaprabhu coming and saying, hey, you worship demigod, demigoddess, but I am Bhagavan. All demigod, demigoddess, they worship to me. All demigoddess, they worship to me. So why you worship to the other demigod, demigoddess? Brahma Shiva Amara Kinkar. Mahaprabhu told Brahma, Shiva, they are my servant. And I will give benediction to you. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he is seated. Understand? He is seated and in the place of Shivji. That time all young girls, they ran away. Demigod, what is called? They ran away. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he also giving curse. If you not worship to me, then you will get old husband. Mostly Indian people, they worship Lord Shiva and how to get husband. Mostly young girls, they worship Shivji, because they are thinking Shivji will give nice husband. So Mahaprabhu told, Mahaprabhu told this way, you worship to me, I will give nice husband to you. And some they also they give, maybe such, Mahaprabhu is saying this is true, some they offered their and prasad to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, or some they ran away. So these types of Lokik Sadbandhuvat Leela is going on there, as like Krishna Leela, Madhurya Leela. So Navadvip Dham also Madhurya Leela. So very nice, beautiful. That is called human being Leela, Naravat Leela. Naravat means understand?
Human being pastime. Human being like that.
Human being pastime. Naravat Leela. Gaur Premanandi. What are you doing this? What? You put here. When I will do, I will take. Okay, who has a question?
Eu já vi várias formas diferentes de fazer a xamana. Eu gostaria de saber a forma certa, de põe 3 vezes, coloca 3 mãos, põe na boca, às vezes falam fazendo nas 2 mãos, na sopa. Eu quero saber como a forma de fazer.
I've seen different kinds of way of performing Achaman. I'd like to know what is the perfect process of doing Achaman, like putting water in both hands and
As 2 mãos, se põe 3 vezes de uma vez, se põe toma, 2 toma.
3 times at once, or 1 time, then another time, then another time.
Are what to do? How to take Achman? This is written in Archan Dipika. You have Archan Dipika or not? So follow the Archan Dipika. Not many kinds of this. A simple way you have to follow. First wash your hand and take water this way. They will chant this mantra. Om bolo. Om apavitra pavitra va sarvavastang gato piva jasmarit pundarikakshang sa vajja abbantarang suci. Om Sri Vishnu Sri Vishnu Sri Vishnu. This is called Snan, mantra Snan. Then you also take water, Achman Kali, and 3 times do Achman Simule. And Idang Achmaniam Kesavai Namaha. Then wash your hand, throw this way. Then second, it is Idang Achmaniam Sri, what do you call it? Narayana Namaha. Then wash your hand, then throw the water, then again take water. Idang Achmaniam Madhavaya Namaha. Then wash your hand and this. Sri Vishnu Sri 3 times at least. You chant 3 times Vishnu names. Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu. Or Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is the process. But simple.
Prabhu asked me today if Nirjala Ekadasi, Achamanya no broke Nirjala Ekadasi.
Nirjala Ekadasi.
Yeah.
In that day you should not Achman. Just your mind can also take Achman. That is called Manasik Achman. Wait, don't block the road, other people will be disturbed.
Okay.
Yeah.
How to differentiate self-realization from mind speculation?
Self-realization.
Yeah.
Self-realization, when you simple way offer your heart to Guru and Krishna, then self-realization will come. Understand? And when you chanting holy names, then automatically spontaneous coming in your heart. Or another is called speculative. Speculative very dangerous. You should not speculative. Speculation not good. Everything should be authentic for our Guru, Vaishnava and Shastra. Understand? This is the way. These things also. And if anything is coming in your heart, should be recommended by Suddha Vaishnava. Sometimes our devotee also say, okay, in my dream I had this come, this come. That is what? True or speculative? If recommended, that dream is recommended by Suddha Vaishnava, that true. If your dream coming these things, okay, but that should be recommended by Suddha Vaishnava and Shastra. Suddha Vaishnava, he will be say everything's evidence from Shastra. Understand these things. Are speculative, there is no any and tail, no legs, no tail, no legs, no heads. That is one. Only mind coming. These are things. Speculative things are perfect this way. So I am saying this way. Recommended by Shastra. Shastra and Shuddha Vaishnava, Guru. These things.
How can the dream recommend it? What do you mean?
If your dream any coming, that dream you tell to Shuddha Vaishnava, then Shuddha Vaishnava or Guru will be tell this is perfect or just a speculative mind. Because that is sometimes dream coming what you are thinking in daytime, and night time that is also coming. That is speculative. That is no tails and head. They are speculative. So these are the things. Where is the, when I went America, one devotee he told, Prabhupada Sai Maharaj, he came in my dream. Well, what that? What is your dream? or Saimar he is smoking the cigarette. This is your speculative. Understand? Because daytime he is walking here and there on the beach, or sometimes people are smoking. And same time he also remembering Prabhupada, Saimar. So dream is coming, they both. This is his what? Speculative. Dream coming, but that dream should be recommended by Shuddha Vaishnava. Understand this thing? So, this is the thing.
Deixa eu ler uma pergunta antiga que eu escrevi.
Radhana, Thiranwe. Here. Oi. Good?
Here. Mais uma pergunta só. Quando as gopis fazem ofensas a Krishna, só de ouvir eu fico um pouco perturbada. Aí o Gurudeva estava dando uma aula, né? E ele falou assim que não era bem assim que ele ia explicar no dia seguinte. Acho que eu perdi. Eu não consegui achar a resposta.
Que ofensa?
Quando elas brincam, fala que ele é falso, que ele é manipulado, né?
Qual a resposta que ele deu no dia seguinte?
Cafajeste. Eu não gosto de ouvir, fico perturbada. Aí ele falou que não era bem assim, que ia responder no dia seguinte. Só que eu perdi a aula, eu não consegui achar.
She's saying that sometimes you mention how gopis, they use harsh words with Krishna, and like you stood, rascal, all these things, and like your devotee this and that, and when she hears this, she becomes a little bit, her mind disturbed. And one time you were saying this, and then told that in the following day you would explain this, because not exactly like that, but she missed the second class, the following class, so she wants to know more about it.
Are gopis, they are harsh to Krishna, this is their love and affection. This is their love and affection. This is not their mundane sense gratification. These things. And Krishna is very happy with their harsh words. Priya jodi man kari kare bhatsan vedastuti hoite mor hare mor man. Krishna says, and even Brahma, Shiva, Naradas, they recited many sab-stuti. But Krishna is not very pleased with their sab-stuti. But when gopis, they use this word, and you are stupid, nonsense, rascal, then gopis, they are very happy. Because they have love and affection with Krishna. If your boyfriend, girlfriend slapped you, you are very happy. If your girlfriend not slapped you, then today I am not giving mercy from her. In this material world, just I also giving this example. A transcendental world, gopis, how they have love and affection with Krishna. So for this regard, when gopis, they use these types of very, rude words. Understand? Rude words. Very harsh words. And then Krishna is very happy. Because gopis, they know the heart of Krishna. Understand? Actual gopis, why they use these harsh words, rude words to Krishna? For Krishna's exclusively pleasure. Krishna Sukha Hetu. Krishna Sukha Hetu, gopis, a gopi kare sab vyavahar. All the activities of gopis for the exclusive pleasure for Krishna. And Krishna will be happy. Because Krishna is the supreme enjoyer. So when gopis, they use these words, harsh words, rude words, then Krishna will be happy. And your mind disturbed, you don't know Tattva Siddhanta, maybe you are not entering the philosophy. When you enter in the philosophy, your mind will not disturb, your mind will be overjoyed. Understand this? This is the thing. So he's saying, you have to enter in Tattva Siddhanta. Your heart will be very overjoyed. This is the Understand?
Yes.
Okay, last question. Finish.
Pergunta simples, Taru. A pergunta simples tem a ver com a primeira do mantra. Quando a gente faz o Gangechajamuné, para botar o dedinho e tampar. E por que a gente tampa?
Você não pode pôr a unha.
The same when we do Gangechajamuné Chava Godavaris in the calling some holy water to any water, you have to put your finger on the water and cover your hand. Why we need to cover the hand when you're doing that?
This is Jatas Vedas mantra, how to chant this. Because in your mind, you are calling all the holy waters. Holy water. You have seen when I went to his place, they putting the holy water. You have seen or not? One big stadium, we do this program. And thousand people came, big. They arrange very nice, beautiful program, and all kinds of religious people, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, and all kinds of them. All they also dropping the holy water. You have seen or not?
Very nice.
So, in our Vedic culture, that is in the same way, you call all the holy waters from the different pilgrimage place, and Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati, Narmada, Kaveri, Sindhu, understand? And Sannidham Kuru, they are all meeting together. That means in your hand you are calling. This is you remember this. Taking water and chant this mantra. What is the mantra? Fala. Om Gange cha Jamune chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmade Sindhu Kaveri Jardha Osmin Sannidham Kuru. So they all mixed together. That is the holy day. This is simple. Good Premanand.
Você tem umas balinhas pro senhor dizer pra mim, quiser votos?
What do you say?
I brought these balinhas if you want to. Ginger balinhas.
You brought from where?
Eu comprei, aí eu só abri porque eu coloquei umas lá no quartinho dele, lá no lugar da Govinda.
It's open because you put some in your room. Govina Nandini did this house. It's there also some. For you.
Okay, take this. Okay, take this. What is this guy give to this guy also?
I give.
You give, take this.
I give.
You give this.
Finalmente, né? I see there another devil. We give the balinha.
Balinha.
What's the balinha too?
Oi. Take it.